And welcome. In this short video tutorial, we're going to explain how to use the navigation and routing features within StreetWise CADlink. So we're looking at an alert here. What we're going to do first is move to the tactical map. Now that we're on the tactical map, if you notice down here in the lower right hand corner of that tactical map screen, we have a navigation button. Now that's another one of these slide out menus. But in this case, as soon as I hit that navigation button, an overlay will be added to the map, giving me the shortest route to that incident. Now it'll also expand the map automatically to show me that entire route. Now the menu doesn't go away because frequently you're going to want to take an almost immediate next action. In some cases you may simply look at that overlaid route and figure out, okay, here's the best way to get there. I know where I'm going. I don't need it anymore. And you want to get that blue overlay back off the map, so you can simply hit the cancel button and that will remove the overlay from the map. However, you also have the option of choosing to get turn-by-turn navigation and routing to that call. Now we're on an Android device for this demo, so right here it says navigate via Google Maps. On an iPad it would say navigate via Apple navigation. So we'll hit the nav via Google Maps and it switches us over to the Google Maps screen and allows us to get turn-by-turn directions and routing, even a heads-up display that'll kind of follow us as we're going down the road. So you can explore the various options and features within the Google navigation application. You can view it as that, as I said, that turn-by-turn heads-up display, or you can simply view it as a list of the turns required and the distances required to get to that particular location. So the number of different ways that you can look at that. It'll even give you audible turn-by-turn directions, but of course in a fire truck with a siren on, it's probably unlikely that you would actually be able to hear those. Now if you want to go back to StreetWise, you simply exit Google Navigation or Apple Navigation, return back to StreetWise. I do want to point out that you'll notice there is an option for navigation via CADlink. And if you do not have CADlink installed, which is an option for you, then that's going to be grayed out. CADlink is a very sophisticated offline navigation and routing system and has maps and capabilities specifically for fleet operations. You can download CADlink's truck navigation system from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. There is a cost for that and an annual subscription to the map updates, but it will give the option to actually set your navigation with some restraints based on the size of your truck, for instance width or weight or even the height if it's an aerial piece of apparatus. So you can do some customization of your navigation with that program, but again it's totally optional. If you do install it, our system will automatically integrate that. This button will no longer be grayed out and you would be able to choose to navigate via your CADlink application.